Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking something warm, hearty, and full of flavor. A cabbage and ground beef one-pot meal. Special menu. I start with a little butter in the pan. This gives the dish a rich, creamy base. Now I'm adding some chopped garlic. I think garlic makes everything better. Do you agree? Stir just until it turns golden and fragrant. In goes the ground beef. I love the sound of that sizzle. If you're watching while hungry, I understand completely. I break the beef apart gently and mix until it cooks evenly. Sprinkle with salt to bring out the flavor. Sprinkle with black pepper. Simple, but perfect. Mix everything well and let it brown beautifully. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps my little kitchen grow. Now I'm chopping one big onion. It softens the meat and gives it a gentle sweetness. I love using fresh onions. They bring out so much flavor. Do you prefer red or white onions in your cooking? Add onion, mix everything together, and let the onions cook until they blend right in. Now for the fun part, the spices. I'm adding mixed herbs, paprika, oregano, and a touch of peri-peri for a little kick. What's your go-to spice in your kitchen? Mix everything really well. This step makes the whole kitchen smell amazing. A splash of soy sauce goes in next. It adds that deep, savory flavor that ties everything together. Give it a good mix so that the beef absorbs all the seasoning. Next, I add a spoonful of tomato paste for color and depth. Mix everything together and let it cook for a minute so the tomato flavor blends in. Now, I'm chopping some fresh tomatoes. I love how they bring brightness to the dish. Add them straight in and stir gently. Mix everything well. The tomatoes will soften and make the sauce thick and rich. A little more salt to balance the flavor. And a bit of pepper to finish the base. Mix one last time before adding our colorful veggies. Where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments. I love seeing how far my recipes travel. Now I'm chopping one big carrot. It adds sweetness and beautiful color. Add the chopped carrots in and mix. Mix gently. Look at how colorful it's becoming already. Next, I'm chopping some fresh cabbage. It's one of my favorite vegetables to cook with. Add the cabbage into the pan. Don't worry, it shrinks as it cooks. Mix it in so it soaks up all those delicious flavors. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tasty home recipes like this one. Now I'm adding sweet corn. I love how it brightens the whole dish. Next, I'm chopping a few celery stalks for a touch of crunch. Add the celery right in and mix it with the corn. Next, I'm adding chopped French beans. They're so healthy and add great texture. Mix everything one more time. It's really coming together now. Add a little water to help it cook through evenly. Give it a stir and let it simmer slowly. Keep mixing every few moments so the flavors combine. Beautiful. After a few minutes, everything is tender, saucy, and smells absolutely amazing. And just like that, our cabbage and ground beef one-pot meal is ready, colorful, hearty, and full of flavo. Everything is cooked perfectly. You can serve it any way you like. It's juicy, tender, and full of flavor. Give it like and share for more easy and tasty homemade recipes. Thank you so much for watching.